Damn, where I thought I had more stickers than
Put this motherfucking yoke on this goddamn event.
I can't do nothing.
No, we finna get on in the tent, in the coyote.
Okay, oh, y'all finna get them?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I just brought some lookout stickers.
Let me go over here, bro. Come on over here. Get this
I got some $10 stickers, some $5 stickers. Yeah. A couple different kinds, different sizes, depending on how you want to rip it. I should have got more than this. I know this ain't enough. Yeah, it's enough right now. I'll be back. Fuck.
Full tree, Anthony? Anthony, full tree? Yep, gotcha.
Gotcha, Anthony. Full tree.
Full truck.
I ain't got the right gas in it.
Chevy truck tower side.
I put some E15 in it. I just gotta run all that out. Look out, y'all already got a lookout sticker?
They ain't got a lookout
Sure.
yet. Don't get one.
You might get a couple more horsepower.
Get a little more horsepower with
A
this
little
lookout
bit
sticker. Hell big. What's up, baby?
Hell, her.
Chill, chill.
Go on, put that on there, man. 10 more horses. Bam. Same side.
Spectator side.
All right, here we go, y'all. Here we go.
Nobody wanna race me, man.
Nobody want to race you? You too fast, man.
Looks like a little GTR coming up.
They said you were slow.
Yeah, my shit's slow.
You should have raced me.
No, I don't want to race. I got the wrong. Oh, they scared or something. Where the I don't even see that. Oh, that's
Or maybe we're just doing a drive around.
here you
Are
go.
we assessing the track?
Already, here, get 2 of them. Man. Damn, that ain't enough. Look, I ain't got number 2 left.
That's kind of funny.
Dang. I should have dig deep. Let's see.
Look out, look out.
Look out, what's up with it, man?
Anthony, he's going slow. Let me know when he clears the track. I can't see him down there.
And TSV safety meeting
Good?
time.
Okay. All right, guys, next pair.
Hey, look out, you on my YouTube channel? You ain't
ready
on Look
for
Out
ya.
Racing.
Ford truck.
Oh, man. I should have got, dang, what them. Oh, do I got a card for him? Yeah, Look Out Racing.
Spectator side.
Okay. Appreciate that, Walmart Security. I got Walmart Security on the chat, y'all. Yeah. Okay, they betting on this one, y'all. Oh, they done left. I was gonna give them a call.
Supercharged. Something. I can't tell what's the Mustang.
Hey.
What you got?
Other side. Right lane for the win. Right lane. She said big head ass. Don't miss. We don't promote violence. Look, this is my YouTube channel. You could just yeah. Oh, you gotta go around and pay. You don't want to pay. Hey, look, yeah, that's my YouTube channel. Look Out Racing. Make sure you delay through Theo, delay through Abuelito, everybody.
We'll check that later on.
Already. Hey. Yeah, man, you on my YouTube channel, man. You want to put your shout out in?
Nah, he's shy.
Oh, he's shy? Okay. No bueno, y'all. All right, guys, we got Limpy. Oh, appreciate that Limpy for the 10. Limpy done send me 10. I'm finna go, ooh, I'm finna get me some. Oh, I can't wait now. For the win.
Spectators side for the win.
Man, how you get back up here that fast? Oh, no, he ain't make no pass.
A 0.07 reaction time for the tower side. Mowed the tree over. And
tacos on Limpy tonight, y'all. I'm finna eat good. I'm finna get corn. I might get some fruit. Uh-oh. The internet ain't doing no good out here tonight, y'all. Even TikTok
Anthony, you want a
lag.
full tree or pro tree on this one? 410, that's what I thought. Perfect, thank you.
I had to turn out some of the apps for y'all.
Cleaning up down track. Great time to go over to Taco.
How much are tires for the Mustang? I think they're about $250, $240 each. They might have went up.
She's got hot dogs over there, cold drinks.
Appreciate that Power Stroke Syndicate for the 5. I'm getting that corn. I'm finna get the drink. Get down on it. Get down on it. I'm hungry. I'm about to go and eat.
Pit, it's all one deal. You guys can come in the pits and do what you want to do.
Blind squirrel.
That's $20.
He done said 20. I don't know what I'm gonna do with him. Looking out for Lookout. I see y'all been in a good mood this week, man. That's a good week, man. I'm proud of y'all. I feel the love like a motherfucker. And I feel it. I go running, y'all. I done already moved my car. And I already moved it. Now I've been running